Okay guys, so what I'm going to do first is get our grits started. I'm going to add about 2 cups of chicken stock to our pot and bring that to a nice boil. Now that we have that boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add in my grits. And you guys want to stir this so that it does not clump up. So make sure you stir as soon as you put your grits in. This is so that it does not get clumpy. You don't want clumpy grits. I have this on about medium to low heat. You want to just keep stirring until it's nice and smooth. So now I'm going to season it a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, butter. Mix that in really well. See how it's getting nice and creamy? Just gonna keep mixing. And at this point, my fire is on, it's pretty low. I said medium to low, but at this point you wanna switch the fire and make it a little lower. Mix that all. Okay, now what I'm going to do is add in my cheese. I have some extra sharp cheddar here. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. I just love the taste of the sharp cheddar in my grits. And you're going to continue to stir that. So you're going to let this simmer on low for about 2 or 3 more minutes, and then it should be ready. So now let's move on to our shrimp. In this pan, what I have is just a little bit of butter melted. And what I'm going to do now is saute up our veggies just a little bit to make them a little soft. I'm going to add those to the pot. Stir that up really well. Just going to cook them a little bit because my shrimp are already cooked, so I don't want them to get mushy and I don't want them to get chewy. So I'm going to saute these up just for a few minutes. So once we have our veggies a little fried, what I'm going to do is I have here my shrimp that I added the Creole seasoning to. I'm just going to add that into the pot and fry those up. Guys, I'm only making a little, so the measurements that are down below are for this amount. Now, if you want to make double, you just double the ingredients. This is only for me, so I'm only going to make a little. So we're going to fry up our shrimp on each side. Now, these shrimp are already cooked because I could not find any raw shrimp. So these are already cooked, so you do not need to cook them that long or they will be chewy. Now what I want to do is add a little bit of crushed garlic to this. Garlic is going to give it a really, really good flavor. Mix that up in there. So I like for my shrimp and grits to have a little bit of gravy to it. So what I'm going to do is add just a little bit more of that chicken stock. I'm only going to add a little bit because I don't want it to be watery, but this is just going to make just a nice sauce when you pour over your grits. So this is how your shrimp should look, and what I'm going to do is turn this off because like I said, I don't want to make the shrimp mushy. I'm going to plate this up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here we are. Here is the shrimp and grits. Guys, this takes literally less than 30 minutes probably to make. It's so simple, so quick, and so delicious. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thanks so much for tuning in. See you next time.